Exception handling is an essential mechanism for managing errors and unexpected conditions in our programs. It allows us to anticipate potential issues and respond gracefully, rather than letting our applications crash. By using constructs like try, catch, and finally, we can isolate code that might throw exceptions and handle those exceptions effectively. When we wrap our code in a try block, we're saying, "I'm prepared for something to go wrong." If an error occurs, the catch block steps in, allowing us to define how to respond, whether that's logging the error, notifying the user, or attempting a recovery. Finally, blocks are like our safety net, executing cleanup code regardless of whether an error occurred or not. This structured approach not only improves the robustness of our applications, but also enhances the user experience by preventing abrupt crashes. Embracing exception handling is crucial for any software developer aiming to write resilient and maintainable code.